Hi everyone, Kyle Johnson with McMinnville CPA. I want to take a minute to share an important update on how the United States Postal Service handles postmarks and why this matters if you're mailing in tax payments. For years, taxpayers have relied on what's known as the Mailbox rule in the tax code. Under that rule, tax payments are considered timely as long as it's postmarked on or before the due date, even if the IRS or the state taxing agencies receive it later. The Mailbox rule itself has not changed. However, as of December 24th, 2025, USPS changed how it applies postmarks. Instead of postmarking mail based on when it's dropped off or handled at the local post office, USPS now generally applies the postmark when it reaches one of its electronic processing hubs. What that means in practice is that a payment mailed on the due date could receive a postmark days later, depending on when it's processed. For example, something that's mailed locally in McMinnville might not receive its postmark until it reaches the regional facilities such as Portland. Because of this change, we're recommending that any tax payments sent through USPS be mailed using certified mail. Certified mail provides proof of mailing and, most importantly, proof of mailing date. If you use this method, please be sure to retain copies of the certified mail slip and receipt in case any documentation is ever needed. This change doesn't affect electronic payments. It doesn't change the tax law itself, but it does make it more important to protect yourself when mailing time-sensitive tax payments. If you have any questions about this or want to discuss payment options, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help.